All right, so now that we've got our contours cleaned up, elevated, so if I was to turn on the proposed contours, finished ground contours, I've got both finished ground and proposed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to categorize. And to do that, we're going to go to the Takeoff tab. We're going to go to Categorize. And under Unknown, which is I'm just rolling my wheel or scrolling over here to the right, I got my original ground and my finished ground contours. So I need to move those to their appropriate category. So I'm going to uncheck finished ground, and I'm going to move the original ground contours to the original ground category. So I'm just going to click reassign. So that just moves that layer over to original. I'm going to do the same thing for the finished ground, except I'm going to move this one to design. And then I'm going to click reassign. Right. So now that I've done that, you can see that I've got finished ground. Okay. I'm going to close. And I can click on build surfaces. It's giving me a warning that I don't have a boundary around the edge, and that's fine. We're going to add to that. I'm going to click OK. But what I want to show you is just simply by putting those two layers of contours on their categories, you'll see that it actually built two surfaces. So I've got an existing surface and I've got a proposed surface. Now this is just using the contours at this stage, which I could then do under surfaces, I could do an earthwork report and determine, what the difference is between the finished ground and the proposed. I could, do a quick profile. So if I wanted to, I could come up here and do the surface slicer. And what that would do is basically I'm going to go from a point and to a point. Let me try that again. In the plan view, all right, again, I'm going to go surface slicer. And then if I just click a point here and drag it over there, I can see my proposed versus my existing, all right? Now my surface needs probably more information, more detail, and we're going to show you that in the following details. So I'm going to start adding some surface information, get it a little bit better, and then we still got to add in our site improvements, which we'll again get to here in a couple steps. All right, but I just wanted to show you that what the categorization does with the layers and getting them on their right layer.